Hello everyone. Welcome to How to Photoshop. Today we are redesigning the second slide of the carousel. Open your canvas. Change the background color. Add some shapes. Import your model. Resize well. Remove the background. Let's change our shape color. Change the model to black and white. Add black and white gradient. Clip mask the gradient to the image of the model. That way only the model is black and white. Next let's add text. To find out what text is used in this graphic, check our previous video, or click the link above. Select Text tool. Write your text. Adjust accordingly. Add a shape. Background white, no stroke. I am just kidding. No background. Yes stroke. Resize the shape. Duplicate the shape. Adjust the shape. Oops, let's align right. Let's add a subtext next. Add a shape. Place it below our subtext. Adjust accordingly and also change the text color. Adjust accordingly. Let's add the logo and footer next. To save time I am copying from our last poster. That's it.